March 14. I'm making breaded eggplants, Japanese style eggplants. I'm coating them with egg and dipping them in this breadcrumbs. They will be very nice and very juicy eggplants. I'm putting breadcrumbs on the eggplants. This should be nice and crispy and juicy eggplants. I'm saving the eggshells to put on my plants for their calcium. They're good for putting on the potted plants. That is the container of my eggshells. And then I put them on my potted plants for vitamins. I'm gonna be using avocado oil to fry my eggplants. It's a little higher temperature. It could stand higher temperature than the extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna be putting some of this oil in my pot so it doesn't splatter too much. It's a deep pan, so it won't splatter too much when I'm cooking the eggplants. I'm gonna start frying them now. There they are, they're now frying, and it doesn't splatter as much because it's a taller frying pan or a cooking pot, anti-stick. There they are. They are now cooking, and this is all my ingredients. so good. Looks nice. Here's my eggplants being cooked. There is the eggplant. They are being cooked now. Now I'm gonna make scrambled eggs. Is these are 3 eggs. I'm gonna make scrambled eggs with my baby clams. I'll make scrambled eggs with avocado oil. And this will be for my scrambled eggs with baby clams. And they are right here. There are the baby clams. Should taste good. And I'm going to put my scrambled eggs in there. Let it cook a while. As the egg is now cooking, and I'm making my scrambled eggs with my baby clams. And here are the baby clams. temperature and make an omelette. It's the clam omelette. And it's done. We're gonna turn off the stove. There it is. Yummy. Ready to put it on the plate. That is the baby clam omelette. Very good. And ready to serve. Very good. With my hot coffee right there. And this is my lunch. Baby clam omelette, breaded eggplants, and my coffee with apple cider vinegar. And gets ready to eat. And this is my lunch. Baby clam omelette, breaded eggplants, coffee with apple cider vinegar. This is it right there. And this is the breakfast I made. And this is the eggplants. And this is the baby clam omelette. Very good. Very good. Ready to eat. There is a cut of this baby clam omelette. Very good. Very good and tasty. Let's try an eggplant. This is an eggplant and try it. Man, this tastes good. Very good. This is my lunch. Baby clam omelette, breaded eggplants, coffee with apple cider vinegar. This is it right there. And this is the breakfast I made. And this is the eggplants, and this is the baby clam omelette. Very good. Very good. I hope you like this video. And if you do, you tell me what you think. It tastes good. It tastes very good. It tastes very good. And I hope you like the video I made. Thank you.